Have you ever wondered how channels like Zack D Films and SimpliHow make thousands of dollars with their captivating short videos? Viewer stats reveal that these channels are generating serious revenue of $5,000 up to $50,000 per month, and their content is packed with animations and stunning visuals, is a massive hit with audiences. But here's the kicker, they're spending thousands of dollars per video on professional animators and editors to get those jaw-dropping results. What if I told you there's a much simpler way? Today, I'll walk you through how you can create similar high-quality shorts using just AI tools, saving both time and money while still achieving incredible results. Step 1. Ideation and script writing. Now before you start anything, the most important thing is to find your viral idea and branding so you can't simply copy them as it is. So just see their ideas and how they are structured. Basically, you have to find your own style, branding, and video ideas to structure your channel in a particular direction that can be like controversial topics like SimpliHow or weird stories, like Zack D Films. The key is to find your own similar format. Now it's up to you how you diversify yourself from other channels. Remember, this video might be watched by many, so if everyone does the same, nothing will work. So learn the process, but use your brain to diverse yourself. Now, let's move on to script writing. Once you have the idea for our example, I will use the video idea of how this couple won the lottery accidentally. Now move to ChatGPT and tell it to make a 170-180 word script around it. You can go as much as you want. Shorts are now up to 3 min, but remember, nothing should be boring. Most probably ChatGPT won't generate a proper script in the first go. If so, ask the AI to tweak the tone, refine the language, or make the story more exciting. Within minutes, you'll have a polished script ready to bring to life. But still, some human edits are necessary to make it properly. Now here is our script that we will follow further. Step 2. Generating AI voiceover with 11 Labs. A professional voiceover can make your video more engaging and relatable. With 11 Labs, you can generate high-quality AI voiceovers that sound natural and professional. Here's how to do it. Upload or paste your script. Take the script you created with ChatGPT and paste it into 11 Labs' text-to-speech tool. Choose a voice. Browse through their library of AI-generated voices and select one that suits your video's tone and style. Generally, a calm and unique, well-spoken voice works best. Generate the voiceover. Once you've made your adjustments, generate the audio file. Review the output and make any necessary changes to ensure it aligns perfectly with your video and it is clear. Export the file. Save the voiceover as an audio file to use in your video editing process. This step eliminates the need for hiring voice actors and ensures your video has a professional-sounding narration. Step 3. Generating consistent visuals with AI art tools. Once your script is ready, it's time to create visuals. Channels like Zack D Films use consistent art styles, mostly 3D style that give their videos a professional look. AI tools like Leonardo AI or similar platforms are perfect for this. These tools allow you to generate high-quality images in a consistent style. Simply feed them your prompts based on the script. First, generate an initial image that is in the similar style you want. Try it till you are satisfied, then use a similar prompt along with the style remix option and make images for all the important scenes in proper sequence. Ensure consistency across images by using the same style preset or prompt keywords. This will make your video look cohesive and visually appealing. Step 4. Animating images with Kling AI or an AI video generator. Static images are great, but animation brings them to life. Use tools like Kling AI or any other AI video generator that supports image-to-video animation. These platforms can animate your generated images, making them more dynamic and engaging. For instance, you can create effects like zoom-ins, character movements, or even subtle environmental animations, such as rain or flowing water. Simply upload your images and use the animation options provided by the tool. Most of these platforms allow you to adjust the speed, movement, and effects to match your script's pacing. The result? Animated sequences that feel professional without requiring you to hire a team of animators. Step 5. Editing your video with CapCut. Now that you have your animations, it's time to assemble everything. CapCut is an excellent tool for editing your videos. Start by importing all your animated sequences into the editor. From here, follow these steps. Add the voiceover we generated using 11 labs and arrange all scenes accordingly. Then use CapCut's text tools to add captions to your video. Captions not only enhance engagement, but also make your content more accessible to viewers watching without sound. Include background music. Select royalty-free music that complements the mood of your video. Platforms like YouTube Audio Library. Enhance with sound effects. Add sound effects to emphasize key moments in your video. For instance, a whoosh sound during a transition or subtle ambient noise for background scenes can elevate the overall experience. Perfect transitions. Use smooth transitions between scenes to maintain viewer interest. CapCut offers a range of transition effects that you can apply with just a click. Once everything is proper, then we go to the last step. Step 6. Export and upload. Ensure the aspect ratio matches the platform that is 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, and then export the file in the highest quality possible. Give your video a catchy title and description optimized with relevant keywords to improve discoverability, and you are good to go. Also try to upload it on all the platforms for better viewership. With these simple steps, you'll have a stunning video ready to share with the world. Using AI tools, you've saved time and money while creating content that rivals top creators like Zack D Films and SimpliHow. Whether you're aiming for entertainment, education, or storytelling, these techniques make it easy to produce high-quality shorts that attract viewers and generate revenue. Remember, the key is consistency, both in style and in posting frequency. The more videos you create, the better you'll become at using these tools effectively, and the faster you'll grow your audience. So what are you waiting for? Start experimenting with these AI tools today and take the first step toward building a successful content creation empire. Who knows? Your next video could be the one that goes viral. Now, if you found this video useful and want to learn more modern ways to make money online, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.